super easy game. Again, all you need is a Roscoe, deliciously healthy treats, and some kind of receptacle for catching the treats. Right, so I'm going to bung the treats box over there, then I'm going to try and chuck them in the treat box. It's giving me something interesting to do, because I get bored very easily, simple-minded fella. Right, I'm going to pop it over here. Let him get down there. Go on, Roscoe. Go on, Roscoe. Right. Okay, stay. I'm going to let him go when I get one in. Oh. Oh. I was seeing where he was going anyway. Right, I frustrated him there and left him too long. So really, I should have picked it up, got him going after that second one. You could see he was going to go. So always get them to be the winners, really, aren't you? So let's try it again. Let's go, sit. Right, try it again then. Stay. I'm going to let him go after this one because I can see his... Go on then, let's go! I think he was going again. I should have let him go even earlier. Well, I'm going to learn from one of these mistakes one time. Have you eaten? Oh, come on then, Roscoe. Good boy. Right, final few. Stay. Go on then. Missed. Have I got one in yet? I think I got one in. One out of 12 teen. Not bad at all. And that's it. Right, I'll give him these. Good boy. Right, that's it. Follow for more super simple dog games.